Avaya Aura Communication Applications implement certified exam 71301X dumps. Questions are the best material for you to pass. 1. To set timers, URI manipulation, and header manipulation that the Avaya Session Border Controller for Enterprise (SBCE) will use when signaling to the far-end server. A profile like Avaya Aura is provided by default. When configuring the server configuration, you must link to which type of global profile: A. Signaling, B. Routing, C. Topology hiding, D. Server interworking. 2. Which three functionalities does WebRTC provide? Choose 3. A. NAT, firewall traversal. B. Adds click-to-call capabilities from a web application to an Avaya endpoint. C. Internet-friendly codecs and privacy. D. Real-time audio and video conferencing. 3. Before SIP trunking configuration can begin, which state must the Avaya Session Border Controller for Enterprise (SBCE) be in? A. Registered, B. Provisioned, C. Commissioned, D. Ready. 4. The WebRTC snap-in needs to be loaded on which of Avaya Breeze cluster? A. Context Store EDP cluster, B. Core Platform EDP cluster, C. General Purpose EDP cluster, D. Work Assignment EDP cluster. 5. You are starting the process to create a server certificate so it can be installed in the Avaya Session Border Controller (SBC). What must be done before creating a server certificate for SBC? A. Generate a certificate signing request (CSR) in SBC. B. Run init TMD from SBC CLI. C. Add end entity in Session Manager. D. Download ACA PEM file from System Manager. 6. A company is deploying Avaya Session Border Controller for Enterprise (SBCE) to support SIP trunking. What is the minimum number of IP addresses they need to assign to the private and public network interface cards (NICs)? A. 2 addresses are assigned to the private NIC and 2 addresses are assigned to the public NIC. B. 1 address is assigned to the private NIC and 1 address is assigned to the public NIC. C. 2 addresses are assigned to the private NIC and 1 address is assigned to the public NIC. D. 1 address is assigned to the private NIC and 2 addresses are assigned to the public NIC. 7. You want to multiplex all remote workers' SIP messages to Avaya Aura Session Manager (SM) over the same TCP connection, rather than open a dedicated TCP connection for each user. Which feature needs to be enabled for Avaya Session Border Controller for Enterprise (SBCE)? A. The Enable Grooming feature in the Advanced tab of the Avaya Aura Session Manager (SM) server profile. B. The Enable Shared Control feature in the signaling interface. C. The Stream Users over Transport Link feature in the signaling interface. D. The Shared Transport Link feature in the Advanced tab of the Avaya Aura Session Manager (SM) server profile. 8. Which 3 statements about Avaya Breeze are true? Choose 3. A. It allows application developers to quickly add new capabilities to their Avaya solutions. B. It is used by Avaya, partner, and enterprise developers. C. It does not require a license. D. It was formerly called Collaboration Pod but has been renamed to Avaya Breeze. It is a development platform that enables rapid development for applications that are targeted to meet a customer's communications needs. 9. The provisioning script automatically runs as part of the first boot up of the Avaya Session Border Controller for Enterprise, SBCE. During this process you assign the management IP address to the SBCE. You browse to the Element Management System (EMS) to continue to install the SBCE. On the System Management Devices web page, which status does the SBCE display before the install link is clicked? A. Ready. B. Provisioned. C. Registered. D. Commissioned. 10. On Avaya Session Border Controller for Enterprise, SBCE, which statement about how to examine messages with Wireshark is true? A. You have to start and stop the PCAP file using command line. B. You can start and stop a packet capture in the EMS web GUI and then you can open the PCAP file with Wireshark. C. Wireshark runs directly on Avaya Session Border Controller for Enterprise, SBCE. D. They cannot be examined on this version.